Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Cargador Tipo C Samsung is probably one of the most essential accessories for your Samsung device, ensuring that you can keep your phone powered up and ready to go at all times, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the move, making it a crucial component for anyone who relies heavily on their smartphone for daily tasks, communication, and entertainment. Number 5. Deegotech Type C Charger Cord 10 feet. Introducing the Deegotech Type C charger cord, offering an extended 10-foot reach for your charging needs. This cable ensures a fast and reliable connection to your devices. Designed with a standard USB-A to USB-C port, this cable is perfect for devices featuring a USB-C connector. Please ensure your device requires this type of connection before purchasing. Experience swift charging up to 3 amps and data syncing at 480 megabits per second. It efficiently handles both power delivery and data transfer, making it a versatile accessory. This cable offers wide compatibility with a range of popular devices, including Samsung, LG, and Moto models with USB-C ports. It's designed to work seamlessly with your tech. Constructed with a robust braided exterior and a premium core, it's built to last. It has undergone rigorous testing to ensure it can handle daily use and frequent bending. Featuring a secure aluminum cover and a built-in resistor, it ensures safe and efficient charging. You can rely on it to power up your devices quickly and without worry. What we like. If you need a longer reach for your charging needs, this 10-foot cable is a great choice. Its durable, braided design ensures it can withstand daily wear and tear. Consider this if you often find yourself needing to charge your device from a distance. What people say. This 10-foot cable is perfect. It's long enough to reach from the outlet to my bed so I can comfortably play my games. I got the black-silver cable and it's easy to find in the dark. It charges my phone charges quickly and it seems sturdy. My requirements when shopping for this cord: fast charging. The cord that was packaged with my phone was fast charging but not as fast as this one has turned out to be. Long cord. This cord is really long. I don't need it to be quite this long, but I have had to charge away from home in places where the outlet was not close, so I like it. Sturdy plug ends. The plug ends look to be sturdy in the ad photos and that has proved to be the case. Everything about this cord feels sturdy. No flimsiness at all, yet it coils nicely. Solid cable and a good price. Got it set up in my gaming area. Charges my phone and remotes faster than the official cables from Sony or Apple. Number 4. Samsung Fast Charging Type C Kit. Experience lightning fast charging for your Samsung devices. This powerful charger gets you back to full power in no time. Designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of Samsung Galaxy phones and other USB Type-C devices. It supports adaptive fast charging for optimal power delivery. Our intelligent circuit design ensures your device is protected from overheating, overcurrent, and overcharging. Charging automatically stops when the battery is full. Get a significant power boost quickly. It charges your phone up to 50% in just 30 minutes, making it 75% faster than standard chargers. This kit includes a generous 10-foot Type-C cable, perfect for charging and syncing your devices at super speed. It's built for durability and convenience. You'll receive 2 fast wall chargers and 2 10-foot Type-C cables. We stand by our product, so contact us if you have any quality concerns. What we like. For those who need a reliable charging solution for their Samsung devices, this pack offers both a fast charger and a long cable. Its intelligent safety features protect your device during charging. If you're looking for a convenient and safe charging kit, this is the one. What people say. The charger is compatible with Samsung devices and charges them quickly. It has a durable design and a long cable, making it convenient to use. The fast charging feature is impressive and significantly reduces charging time. Number 3. AINOPE 60W Right Angle USB-C Cable 2-Pack. Tired of charging cables breaking? Our innovative 90-degree right angle design prevents wear and tear, making it more comfortable to use your device while it charges. It's perfect for gaming, watching videos, or even in tight spaces. We've put it through rigorous testing, with over 400,000 bends, that's 30 times more durable than ordinary cables. Reinforced with military-grade nylon and a special SR joint, it's built to outlast your devices. Experience blazing fast charging with up to 60W power delivery. It can charge your phone to 88% in just 35 minutes, and it supports fast data transfer speeds too. This cable is compatible with virtually all USB-C devices, including the latest iPhones, Samsung phones, iPads, and MacBooks. Please ensure your device has a USB-C port for optimal performance. You'll receive 2 high-quality USB-C cables in this pack. We also offer an 18-month warranty and 24/7 customer support for peace of mind. Equip your team with reliable, high-performance charging solutions. These durable cables ensure seamless connectivity and consistent performance for all your business devices. What we like. If you're a gamer or a heavy media consumer, the innovative 90-degree right-angle design of this cable is a game-changer. It prevents strain and allows comfortable use while charging. Choose this if you want a durable cable that won't get in your way. What people say. The 90-degree elbow is the only style I will buy now. If you have a phone stand, a car mount, or a poorly placed outlet behind the bed at a hotel, this is the way to go. Not only does it make holding or using your phone easier, it keeps the cord out of the way. Most importantly, when you drop your phone with it plugged in, it doesn't break the phone or the cord. I purchased 2 of these in April of 2021, and almost a year and a half later they are still working perfectly. I've never had to claim any warranty on them. Each cable gets disconnected at both ends daily and moved from our nightstands to the auto vehicle charger, sometimes to a plug at work, then back to the vehicle, then back to the nightstand. Unlike almost every other cable I've owned, the connector's ends don't break off. There isn't even a seam on the end. From strain relief to the tip, there's nothing to fall apart or separate. I'd say the durability is excellent. It will negotiate Power Delivery 3.0 and Qualcomm's Quick Charge 3.0. It works on a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and I've tested almost every Samsung phone model made in the last 5 years that has a USB-C receptacle. They are wired correctly. The cable works independent of plug insertion orientation. Number 2. LISEN 5-pack USB-C to USB-C cables. Experience lightning-fast charging with our new cables. They can power up your devices from 0 to 80% in just 35 minutes, and transfer data at speeds up to 480 megabits per second. These cables are designed to work with virtually all your USB-C devices, including phones, tablets, and laptops. They are the perfect replacement for your old charging cords. Our cables are made from recyclable cotton yarn, reducing our carbon footprint. The braided design also prevents tangling and ensures durability. With laser welding technology and reinforced connectors, these cables are built to withstand daily use. They've passed rigorous testing to ensure a long service life. You'll receive a 5-pack of cables in various lengths, 3.3, 3.3, 6.6, 6.6, 10 feet. Plus, enjoy our 18-month worry-free warranty and 24/7 customer support. Remember, these cables require a USB-C charger and a USB-C device. They are not compatible with USB-A chargers or display connections. What we like. For those who need multiple charging options and are environmentally conscious, this 5-pack offers great value. With various lengths, you have a cable for every situation, and the use of recyclable materials is a plus. If you want versatility and sustainability, this is your best bet. What people say. The charger is compatible with Samsung devices and charges them quickly. It has a durable design and a long cable, making it convenient to use. The fast charging feature is impressive and significantly reduces charging time. Number 1. 2-pack 25W Type-C fast charger. Experience lightning fast charging with our 25W PD 3.0 technology. It powers up your devices quickly and safely, getting you back to full battery in no time. Designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of devices, including the latest smartphones and more. Enjoy versatile charging for all your essential electronics. Our 6-foot USB-C cable provides ample length for convenient charging at home, in the car, or at the office. Stay connected without being tied down. Built with high-quality copper wire, it ensures minimal resistance for the fastest possible charge and data sync. Enjoy reliable and efficient performance every time. This pack includes 2 25W PD Type-C fast chargers and 2 6-feet USB-C to USB-C cables. It's everything you need for a complete and efficient charging setup. We are committed to providing you with the best charging experience. If you have any questions, our support team is always here to help. What we like. If you're looking for a straightforward, efficient charging solution for your USB-C devices, this 2-pack offers a solid 25W fast charging experience. The included 6-foot cable is a convenient length for most everyday uses. This is ideal if you prioritize speed and simplicity for your daily charging needs. What people say. They are really fast, and I feel that they are really reliable. Good quality fast chargers. Last quite a while, and sturdier than most chargers. This 2-pack Type-C 25W fast charging set is a total win. The charging blocks power up my phone quickly, and the 6 feet USB-C cables are the perfect length for using my device comfortably while it charges. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.